to give you a sense of what a burden the subway, the directly adjacent subway, places on the student learning in this classroom. You can see the subway outside the window, and here comes one of the trains. They go by every couple of minutes in the morning. And actually they go by all day. They go a little bit more often during rush hour. And as you can see, the noise in the classroom makes it next to impossible to hear a teacher's voice. I'm now going to speak much louder so that you can hear me over the train. If I go back to my normal voice, which is what you would expect a teacher to use, you really can't hear. Notice how loud this is. Right, 95 was the maximum decibels. The average was in the 80s and 90s as the train went.
My name is Jeannie Kouros. I'm a second grade teacher. We have 30 students in this classroom. So there's many children, and we get interrupted by the train all the time. I have been working here for quite a few years, so I'm so used to the train, so it doesn't even bother me, but I have to raise my voice all the time. But the children that were not on this side last year, it affects them. There are a couple things that get affected. Is like right now we have a new program. It's called Ready Gen and Go Math, and it's very different. It's very difficult. So things that were done in the third grade have been done in the second grade. So it's a lot of concepts we need to teach these children. And by having this train go back and forth, and being interrupted, it's a big problem.